Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Puraskar. So, first of all, let's see the Maukhik questions and its answers. So, our first question is मधुलिका ने भूमि का मूल्य क्यों नहीं लिया? Why Madhulika didn't she was not ready to receive the amount for the place. So, what was the reason for that? So, the answer is मधुलिका ने अपने भूमि का मूल्य इसलिए नहीं लिया क्योंकि वह अपने पूर्वजों की भूमि बेचना उचित नहीं समझती थी. So, the reason why he refused the amount for the place was she think that it's not good to sell the place of her forefathers. So if she received that money, that means she is ready to sell that plot. So that's why she didn't receive that. Now let's see the second one. Our second question is राजकुमार अरुण मधुलिका के पास किस उद्देश्य से आया? So what was the reason for Arun? Why he came to meet Madhulika? Answer. राजकुमार अरुण कौशल पर आक्रमण करने के उद्देश्य से वहां आया था और इसमें वह मधुलिका की सहायता चाहता था. Actually, Rajkumar Arun, he was the prince of Magad. So he wished to attack Kaushal. So that's why he need the help from Madhulika. That's why he came to meet Madhulika. Now let's see the third one. Third question. मधुलिका ने राजकुमार का आग्रह क्यों अस्वीकार कर दिया? So why Madhulika didn't accepted the wish of the Rajkumar, means Rajkumar Arun? And the answer is मधुलिका राष्ट्र का नियम नहीं बदलना चाहती थी, इसलिए उसने राजकुमार अरुण का आग्रह अस्वीकार कर दिया. So Madhulika don't want to change the rules of the country. That's why she didn't accepted the wish of Rajkumar Arun. Now let's see the next one. Fourth question is राजकुमार अरुण ने मधुलिका से आश्रय क्यों मांगा? Why Rajkumar Arun asked help from Madhulika? What was the reason for that? Answer is राजकुमार अरुण ने मधुलिका से आश्रय मांगा क्योंकि उस रात भीषण वर्षा हो रही थी. So that night it was heavy rain. Because of that rain he asked help from Madhulika. Now let's see the last Maukhik question. राजकुमार की किस बात से मधुलिका कांप उठी? The prince told something to Madhulika by which she became afraid. So what was that thing? Fifth answer is मगध के राजकुमार अरुण ने मधुलिका से कहा कि वह उसे कौशल के सिंहासन पर अपनी रानी के रूप में बिठाएगा, लेकिन मधुलिका की दृष्टि में यह राष्ट्र के प्रति द्रोह होता, इसलिए वह कांप उठी. So मगध के राजकुमार अरुण, he told Madhulika that he is ready to make Madhulika as his queen when he will become the king of Kaushal. So after thinking about this matter, Madhulika realized that it is cheating to her own nation or her own country. That's why she was afraid. Okay, so Arun offered her to become the princess, to become the queen of Arun, when he become the king of Koshal. Okay. So we completed the Maukhik questions and its answers. Now let's see the Likhit questions and its answers. Our first लिखित क्वेश्चन इज राजा का अनुग्रह न लेने से मधुलिका के जीवन में क्या परिवर्तन आया. सो मधुलिका, she didn't receive, she was not ready to receive the cash which the king has given to her. So because of that, what changes came in her life? Which are the changes? राजा ने मधुलिका को अनुग्रह दिया, किंतु मधुलिका ने उसे लेने से मना कर दिया. वह दूसरों के खेतों में कड़ी मेहनत करके जीवन बिताने लगी. कठोर परिश्रम से उसे जो रूखा सूखा भोजन मिलता, उसे खाकर अपनी झोंपड़ी में पड़ी रहती थी. मधुलिका, she refused to receive the amount which the king has given to her, and after doing that, what did she do? वह दूसरों के खेतों में कड़ी मेहनत करके जीवन बिताने लगी. She started to do work on the others farm, and कठोर परिश्रम से उसे जो रूखा सूखा भोजन मिलता, and the food she is getting after the hard work, whatever it is. रूखा सूखा means dried food. So the dried food she gets from the hard work, she will eat that one, and she will live in her hut. Chompadi means hut. So that was her life after that. Now let's see the second one. मधुलिका ने कौशल नरेश से दक्षिणी नाले के पास वाली भूमि क्यों मांगी? Why Madhulika demanded the place which was there in the southern side? Answer is, मधुलिका ने अरुण के कहने पर कौशल नरेश से दक्षिणी नाले के पास वाली भूमि मांगी, क्योंकि सैन्य दृष्टि से वह जगह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण थी और अरुण वहां से कौशल के किले पर आक्रमण करना चाहता था. So she demanded that place because of Arun. Arun told her to ask that particular place from Kaushal Naresh. So actually that plot, that place was really important in the view of the protection of that country. So Arun wished to attack Kaushal fort or the palace of Kaushal by that side. That's why he told Madhulika to ask that place. He wished to attack Kaushal from that place. Now let's see the third one. मगध कौशल का शत्रु है, शत्रु की विजय नहीं. इस कथन से मधुलिका की किस भावना का पता चलता है? सो इट्स ए कोटेशन. द सेंटेंस वाज सेड बाय मधुलिका. एक्चुअली शी वाज थिंकिंग मगध कौशल का शत्रु है. मगध, दैट कंट्री इज द एनिमीज ऑफ कौशल. सो शत्रु की विजय, सो द विक्ट्री ऑफ द एनिमी, नहीं, नो. So by this sentence, मधुलिका की किस भावना का पता चलता है? किस attitude, which attitude we can notice? मधुलिका की किस attitude we can notice? Okay, by this sentence, which is the attitude we can notice? Answer is, इस कथन से मधुलिका के राष्ट्र प्रेम और राष्ट्र सम्मान की भावना का पता चलता है। मधुलिका की देशभक्ति और कर्तव्य परायणता का बोध होता है कि वह किसी भी हालत में अपने राष्ट्र की पराजय नहीं चाहती थी। So by these words, we can understand the love towards nation and the respect toward nation. Madhulika respect her nation. She also love her nation. So that is what we can understand from this quotation. And also she was very responsible towards her country, and at any cost she don't want to defeat her country. She never wished to defeat her own country. Okay, so that was the third answer. Now let's see the fourth one. मधुलिका ने अपने लिए प्राणदंड क्यों मांगा? Why Madhulika asked the sentence of death? Answer is, यद्यपि राष्ट्र के प्रति अपने कर्तव्य और प्रेम के कारण उसने अरुण को पकड़वा दिया, लेकिन वह अरुण से प्यार करती थी। अरुण को प्राणदंड मिला, इसलिए मधुलिका ने अपने लिए प्राणदंड मांगा ताकि वह उसे पकड़वाने के अपराध का प्रायश्चित कर सके। सो हियर मधुलिका लव हिज नेशन and she do her responsibility. Only because of that she showed Arun. She helped the soldiers of Kosal to catch Arun. So because of her he was caught. So she do her responsibility there, but the problem was she loved him. So he got the sentence of death, so that she also asked for the sentence of death, so that she also get the punishment. Means because of her he is caught, so she deserved the punishment. According to her, she deserved the punishment. That's why she asked for the sentence of death. Now let's see the last लिखित question and its answer. Our last question is, मधुलिका के चरित्र के बारे में 5 वाक्य लिखें. Here we need to write 5 sentences about Madhulika's character. Answer. मधुलिका स्वाभिमानी और अपने पूर्वजों के प्रति आदर भाव रखने वाली युवती थी. अरुण ने जब उसे उसकी भूमि दिलाने के लिए कहा तो उसने कहा कि वह अपने राष्ट्र के नियम नहीं बदलना चाहती. इससे उसकी राष्ट्र के प्रति कर्तव्य परायणता का पता चलता है. मधुलिका दृढ़ चरित्र वाली थी. वह परिश्रमी और थोड़े में ही संतुष्ट रहने वाली युवती थी. उसके लिए देश खुद से ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण थी. राष्ट्र रक्षा के लिए उसने अपने प्यार और जीवन का बलिदान कर दिया. So here more than 5 sentences are there, so you can select any 5 for exams. So मधुलिका स्वाभिमानी थी. She has self-respect and also she do respect to her forefathers. And अरुण ने जब उसे उसकी भूमि दिलाने के लिए कहा, when Arun told her to give back her place from the king, she told to him that she don't want to change the rules of her country. And by this sentence we can understand her responsibility towards her nation. मधुलिका दृढ़ चरित्र वाली थी and also her character was very strong. वह बहुत ही परिश्रमी और थोड़े में ही संतुष्ट रहने वाली युवती थी. So she was very hardworking and she was ready to be satisfied whatever she gets. उसके लिए देश खुद से ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण थी. For her, नेशन वॉज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन हर। राष्ट्र रक्षा के लिए उसने अपने प्यार और जीवन का बलिदान कर दिया था। For the safety of her nation, she just sacrificed her love and also her life. Okay, so that is the characteristics of Madhulika. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.